Guten Tag. Thanks again for all of your really sweet comments last night. This is the quick sub plan for you guys. And I'm just going to review because I know not everybody's in the WhatsApp. So you may not know what I told everybody last night. But my hubby is out sick. And so I need to help him at home here. So I'm really sorry for the last minute. But I actually did get the verb packets that I promised you guys printed off before I left school, and they are on my desk. So that's perfect. What I'd like you to do then, I'm sorry that I can't walk you through it, but the book that we chose to use together is all in English regarding the German grammar. So if you work in your table groups, work through, read it very carefully. This will be really good college practice because this is what the professors always did to me. Here's a grammar book and go have fun and hope you pass the test at the end of the semester. So it's not going to be that stressful. But work together in groups, read through it very carefully. This book is extremely supportive. So it actually has you practice verb sets and chunks that are similar, that have patterns. So that's really nice. What we're starting with is just the basic verb conjugations, present tense only. And then after we get that really good footing underneath us, then when we continue on through the other verb stuff, I think you guys will find your knowledge very satisfying because you finally get the progression. So anyways, work together. Please don't stress about having perfect answers. When I come back on Friday, we'll go through your stuff together. By that time, you guys will probably have questions for me. So write down any questions that you have that you figure out, and we'll go through all that together on Friday. And I promise we'll do something fun too. I found a game before I left today that was like a board game where you would, if you rolled a certain thing, you have to conjugate the verb to move on. So that I think that'll be fun. But anyways, yeah, so that's the plan for the whole period. I know it's really boring. I'm sorry. But work through it together as a group. Put your heads together. Don't get frustrated. Just try to slowly problem solve. Okay. If you're frustrated, take a step back, review, and then continue on. Okay. All right, guys. If I can answer texts on WhatsApp, I will, but I can't guarantee that I'll be able to. So, you can try me there, but if you do have any like emergency grammar things, don't worry about it. We'll take care of it on Friday. Okay. Just do the best you can. Thanks again. You guys rock, and I hope you have a great day. Auf Wiedersehen.
And if you guys don't understand how wonderful this woman is and how hard she works for you, get your stuff figured out. Good night.
That's mean Herr Walker. Don't worry about him. Ich liebe dich. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.